마지막 꾸따에서의 마지막 조식입니다. 오늘은 푸짐하게 누들 살짝 바뀌었고 이거 로스티드 치킨이 있더라고. 솔트 안 들어간 특별 주문 스크램블. 우와봐 주스. 과연 어떤 맛일지. 생각보다 괜찮은데? 조그만데 그냥? 적당히 달아. 이거지. 따뜻하고 안 짠 계란. 이것이 진리다. 2라운드다. 갑자기 짠 기운이. 고기로. Good morning to Ubud, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. 출발. 이곳에 입성했는데 1시간이 더 걸린다고. 열대우림이 나타났다. 2시간 걸려서 드디어 도착. 와, 전통의 느낌이 오시네. Hello.
If you don't mind, you can have a seat first, and I prepare for your registration.
근데 여긴 튜브가 없다. 조그만한 구명 기대로. 근네. 이쁘다.
Room 118. So later when you come back here, just show the voucher and we'll give you the key and assist you to.
오케이. 쿠킹클래스로 한번 가봅시다. 트레킹 가는 거. 우리 차선이 아니어서 항상 다행이다. 와, 진짜 생 논밭이다.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello everybody.
9명이네.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. This is Balinese cake.
진저티 같은 거. 우동티 같이 먹네.
And what about you?
South Korea.
South Korea?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Wow.
Snorkeling in Sapelinda, it was not clear water.
Yeah, and a lot of jellyfish. So
Really?
not the nicest water to swim in. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We went to Nusa Penida yesterday, but it was pretty good. And then we saw the big turtles.
Nice.
Yeah. It depends on the condition.
the
I
waves
think.
and-
Yeah.
My name is Wayan and nice to meet you. Lepas the program here, welcome drink. After welcome drink, at the end you meet offering. You know offering? Offering the bowl, offering for the ceremony today. This is long lip, young coconut lip. And this is two short lip, put the copper bottom later inside, yeah, bottom. And this one dry lip symbolis the tree god. Yeah, okay, open like this. And then fold it into box it. Fold it like this. Yeah, like the box. Bang. Okay, this for you was. Yeah. Okay, this one. Yeah.
효과음 장난 아니죠. 제가 이거 어떻게 지그재그로 해야 되는 거잖아. 지그재그.
Yes, good, smart.
마지막 마지막에 관건인데 이거 마지막 어떻게?
Joking. Boss.
Okay.
Okay, continue.
마지막은 이렇게 뽑는 건가 보다. 대나무로.
나 되게 약해서.
근데 이 사이로 연결했냐? 이렇게 찢었냐?
아니야, 너는.
너도 이렇게 될 것 같은데? 그럼 고정인데? New wave.
Nice.
New wave.
Oh wow.
New wave.
How did you do that?
Just a slip.
Okay, so we make this.
원래는 저렇게 하는 거야.
Yeah, down and
그러니까
up.
저걸로 고정한다 이거.
Like this, yeah.
apa sih? 아, 이음새를 또 이렇게 하는구나.
It's okay, boss. Already?
Wow.
Yeah.
And then put bottom inside, yeah.
아, 이게
Bang.
바탕이구나.
And then, okay, boss. Boy, good, very nice, boss.
Okay.
Let's show in clip. 1, 2, 3, like this, yeah.
오케이.
Down and up. Ah, this for you.
Thank you.
And then you put the small one. Ah, okay.
Down and up.
아, 이거 무슨 그거 같다. 하계.
근데 재밌네.
그지? 꽃을 장식하는 거. With everything?
Yes. And then dry leaf. You have this one, boss. Put
Yeah.
inside.
Ah,
Bang.
장식을
That's
하나.
perfect.
너무 웃긴다 이거.
The order is like this on the left.
No.
No,
There's
no.
no order.
Okay,
just,
then no.
just what you want to do.
Okay.
Your artistic aspect.
Oh, I don't have one. It was direct.
Okay, guys, this is offering. After the cooking the bats. After the bat take the sarung. After the sarung take the offering, the first put in the family temple. And the first put in the family temple, and then second area your cooking, to the area your sleep, area your home.
Yeah, I saw some these kind of
Yeah.
things on the street.
Yeah,
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
street. This is just for the good luck. I give you tip. I give tip. You take a picture. You standing the stone. I take a picture for you for documentation. Cakrak for documentation. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. What one more? Bali.
우리의 무사 귀환과 안전한 여행을 빕니다.
Just one people vegetarian. Egg okay for you?
Yes,
Egg okay, yeah. Just no meat.
No meat, no fish.
Yeah, okay. Tofu and tempeh okay, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and then for allergy, we have the peanut sauce. Peanut allergy peanut. If you don't like, maybe you allergy, you can ask with me, yeah. If you not eating, not good with me. Okay, peanut. We have the tuna fish.
Yeah.
If you don't like tuna, I change with chicken. Tuna, okay? Boss. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Big boss, okay?
Just two small fishes.
Yes, until very small. Garlic.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
Sorry,
please.
I have seen that.
Yes. Be careful, yeah, your hand, yes.
엄청 생강이어가지고 세네. That 안 해본 티 찰찰 나면서 조심해라.
Boss, I give you technique for the chop the small. Takung do bangun, tentang pang bangun takung left, ngaduk.
너 이거
like this,
못해.
yeah. Then
무서워서
chop.
못해 너 이거. 내리치면 손댈까봐.
Yes, please continue. Yeah. It's a bit more. More. Yeah. Put the bit.
그거 할 때 여기를 고정해. 그치? 그 다음에 눌러. 이렇게 지렛대처럼. 그치? 그럼 안 다치면서. 알겠지? 요리도 봐야 돼. 뒤쪽 봐야든 좀.
Ah, coconut oil. 1, 2, spoon here. Yes, please, boss. Yeah, this spoon. And then coconut, candle nut, yeah. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. You can put here, bang, 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 bang. Coriander seed. Like this. This is sample for you. And this is black pepper. The same, boss. Same, yeah. Same big boss. White pepper. This, yeah. Bang, bang, bang. That's in the basic sauce.
Where is my bag?
After the basic sauce, and then focus in the peanut sauce. Peanut sauce, if you very difficult for the grinding, not oil. I put bouillon. If you don't have bouillon, maybe mineral water.
Okay.
If you don't have mineral water, maybe beer, yeah. Boss, you can, boss. No beer. Okay. And then put this one, cracked garlic. Boss.
Okay.
1 spoon. Yes, okay. Red onion, photographer put here. Yes, just one. You smile this one.
Hi.
아이.
소주 웃기는 맛이 있는데? 하필 또 이걸 받았어. 넌 옥수수를 받았어야 되는데. 아주 완전하게 조졌어. 더 이상 다질 수 없다. 이거. 해냈어. 이거 해낸다. 해냈다.
우용.
빚어줍니다. 오, 벌써 지그지. 달아오른다. 일본이 증발되고 있다.
This is manual long time but
고소,
okay, yum.
고소.
Okay, mix. Yeah, mix first. Okay, later for you together here. This for you and this for you.
오케이.
One stick, later you put the two pieces on the top. I give you sample. Long way. You know long way? This one long way, yeah? Not here, just here. Long way, yeah? Okay. Yeah. Until become like this.
오케이.
Bang. Okay. Continue, yeah? Okay, wait a moment, yeah? Let's try it.
Squeeze line first.
Just squeeze it.
Yeah.
This for you later. Make. Yeah. Okay.
말기 좋게 예쁘게 잘 댄스 있게.
You have the chicken, put the chicken. You have the tofu, process the same, yeah? Okay, you can roll, yeah? The first like this, yeah? I give you simple roll, down and up. Okay, please. First.
Down and up.
Yes, like dog spring.
Yeah.
That's okay. Already done. Put in the basket. Put
Okay.
here. Okay.
어, 바스켓 너무 예쁘다.
Yeah, stop, sleeping, not standing, sleeping. Good night. Yeah. Okay, sleeping.
스탠딩이래.
Yeah. Okay. You need photo? Master chef.
프라이한 템페를 넣고 소스, 부용을 떠나는 거구나. 저 음식이 아주 잘 되고 있습니다.
Ya.
뜨거워.
Terima kasih. Ya.
무슨 맛없을 수가 없지.
Boss. Later, after the cook the oil, you can put here. Bang. And you make continue.
Okay.
Make bang. Make boss.
This is big.
Ya, big.
Loading. Wow.
Magic trick.
So cool.
Ya, okay. Oh.
저 칩을 사가고 싶은데. 마르치.
We don't really eat a lot of the Indonesian food for breakfast. To be honest.
Really? But you just.
For breakfast, yeah, we just kind of go to the hipster places and get a smoothie bowl.
2 spoon sugar, big spoon. Yeah. And yes, okay, 2 spoon. And then give your friend. This half spoon, yeah. Half spoon. Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
Half. Salt, yeah, salt. Sea salt. I don't know. Simple, my friend, yeah.
Yeah, so simple. Very simple.
Yeah. What is this? I don't know. Okay. And then put the half glass coloring. This is coloring, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Remember?
This is, yeah. This is only question. I go master chef. Cak. And then egg. Bang. Okay, competition. 1, 2, 3, bang! Okay, 1, 2, 3, bang!
Oh, nice picture.
And then, lift, lift, lift.
Lalu udah sketsa.
Yeah, good. Push. Okay. And then put this one, decoration. Please. Yeah, smart.
Yes.
It's modern art.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Already, thank you smart. Good job, boss. Thank you. Good job. Good teamwork. Good job. Good teamwork.
Thanks,
Thank you,
boss.
Mas photographer. Thank you, boss.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Yes. Yay. 따라. 직접 만든 음식으로 저녁 먹기. 맛있겠다. 한번 먹어볼까?
Sí.
스팀한 거는 좀 궁금하니까.
Ahora que me muchas cosas.
Then later come back 3 times, 2 times.
뷔페는 2번, 3번이 정석이지. 소리도
소소만.
코코넛 밀크 많이 들어가서 맛있어.
그래.
코지한 논밭 뷰. 어릴 적 생각나는구만. 평화로운 논밭입니다. 아침 저녁에도 예쁘겠다. 나이스 선셋. 바이바이. 굿바이.
The ceremony, yeah.
What kind of ceremony?
Yeah. It's for the god in the temple.
창문 열어줘봐.
Give the photo. Because in Bali, many temple.
Yes.
Village temple, family temple, the farmer temple.
저녁에 봐야 제대로 높은 천장.
In the corner.
오케이.
And this way.
와, 진짜 생수이다.
There for the swimming pool over there.
Yes.
And to the right. Careful. And then this is the room number again.
테라스면 이 테라스나? 오케이.
Maybe later you need check for the spa in the room. You just call 7 for the
Seven.
spa.
오케이.
And then over there for the remote air conditioner and television. And then maybe you need more information or hotel. Can you scan this one? Or you send service decor. And then in the room you have a water, and then coffee and tea. And then you have a fridge.
오케이.
And then inside this one you have a sleeper.
오케이.
And then your bag is this one.
야.
And then in the bathroom.
되게 커. 나이스.
And then in the wardrobe you have the safety box. And then for the laundry bag, and then for the dryer. Alright. And then you have a question, bro?
No, it's okay.
No?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your stay. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you for your service. Thank you. Good night.